Okay, so we're going to answer a short question on the Earth's crust. So we have an image here of the world, a map of the world. I had to go over one of the highlighted parts because it was quite difficult to see. So we have the red line here. And our question is, examine the map above and circle the correct option in each of the following statements. So it's true or false questions. So our first one, the area indicated by the red line on the map is called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So we have a circle-like line going around the Pacific. So we know that that's not a ridge because it goes along too far and it's enclosed, and no ridge is that long. The longest ridge is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which goes straight down through the Pacific, and it goes through Iceland, as we know. So it's not the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, it's the Pacific Ring of Fire. So that is false. Number two, this area has many volcanoes. So the Pacific Ring of Fire is a ring around the Pacific that marks where, well, it marks the boundary of the Pacific Plate. But this is where most of our active volcanoes and most of our earthquakes occur, as well as fold mountains. So it does have many volcanoes. And then our last question is, crustal plates collide in this area. So if the area has volcanoes, and we know that volcanoes can be created by colliding plates, as well as earthquakes can, so plates must collide here, but they do also separate and slide past one another. So it's not just collision, but collision does occur here. So that statement is true. So these are our three statements, and we've completed that question.